Pending 2003 American IronHorse Roadster / Outlaw. Price, $6,500. Location, Rock Hill, South Carolina. For sale is a 2003 American IronHorse Roadster / Outlaw, a rare custom-built machine with only 2,313 miles on it. Finished in an eye-catching purple, this bike stands out wherever it goes. Powered by a Harley 111 SNS motor paired with a Baker 6-speed transmission, it delivers the raw power and smooth shifting riders crave. If you're a Harley enthusiast, you'll love this custom IronHorse. Designed for those who want performance, style, and exclusivity all in one package. With such low mileage and excellent care, it's ready to ride and built to impress. 2006 Harley-Davidson CVO Fat Boy. Price, $12,500 in stock. Location, Gallatin. Tennessee up for sale is a 2006 Harley-Davidson CVO Fat Boy with just 5,800 miles, a rare find in this condition and mileage. This limited production custom vehicle operations CVO model represents the very best Harley had to offer in performance, style, and craftsmanship. The bike is currently equipped with some premium Willie G accessories, but before selling, it will be put back to 100% factory stock condition. 2005 Titan Sidewinder Softail Chopper, Lowrider St. Price, $9,000. Location, Sacramento, California. Turn heads wherever you ride with this 2005 Titan Sidewinder Lowrider ST. Custom soft tail chopper that blends style, power, and attitude. With only 5,548 miles on the clock, this golden beauty is in excellent condition, ready to hit the open road and make a statement at every stoplight. Designed for riders who crave bold looks and smooth performance, the Sidewinder ST features classic chopper lines, premium components, and a low-slung stance that screams custom cruiser excellence. Whether you're cruising downtown or showing off at a meetup, this bike commands attention and delivers an unforgettable riding experience. 2002 Harley-Davidson Custom. Price, $12,345, open to trades. Location, Moundsville, West Virginia. Up for sale or trade is a 2002 Harley-Davidson Custom with only 10,000 miles. Finished in a bold orange exterior, this bike is built to stand out while delivering the classic Harley power and performance riders love. Equipped with a manual transmission, it's responsive, reliable, and ready for the road. This motorcycle has been well maintained and is in great shape for its age, offering both style and dependability. Whether you're looking for a unique ride to add to your collection or a head-turning cruiser for weekend rides, this Harley is an excellent choice. 2003 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1200 Custom Hardtail Chopper. Price, $7,500. Location, Sanger, Texas. Up for sale is a freshly built 2003 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1200 hardtail chopper with only 325 miles since the build. This bike is more than just transportation. It's a show winner and a true one-of-a-kind custom machine. It features a custom hardtail frame, a beautiful pearl white and blue paint job, and a motor and transmission that have been freshly rebuilt and tuned for performance. 1995 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1200, one-of-a-kind custom. Price, $10,000. Location, Poynette, Wisconsin. Ride in style with this stunning 1995 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1200, a true one-of-a-kind masterpiece with only 6,500 miles. Every detail on this bike has been meticulously crafted, making it more than just a motorcycle. It's a work of art on two wheels. Finished in a vibrant orange, this Sportster is guaranteed to turn heads wherever you go. Built for enthusiasts who appreciate classic styling, precision craftsmanship, and exceptional performance, it's perfect for cruising, shows, or simply enjoying the open road. 2006 West Coast Choppers CFL Rare Custom Build. Price, $22,000. Location, Spokane, Washington. Up for grabs is this one-of-a-kind 2006 West Coast Choppers CFL, a true collector's dream with only 2,000 miles on the clock. Built with precision and attention to detail, this bike showcases the classic West Coast Choppers style, blacked-out elegance with aggressive lines and custom flair. Featuring over $25,000 in upgrades, every inch of this machine speaks to quality, craftsmanship, and pure motorcycle passion. Whether you're hitting the open road or showing off at a meetup, this CFL commands attention and delivers an unforgettable ride. 2012 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide Ultra Classic. Price, $10,000. Location, Batesville, Indiana. For sale is a 2012 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide Ultra Classic with just 20,000 miles. A clean, low-mileage touring bike that's fully loaded and ready for the open road. Powered by the strong 103 CI engine and paired with a manual transmission, it delivers the smooth performance, comfort, and reliability that makes the Electra Glide series legendary among long-distance riders. 2002 Harley-Davidson Kraft Tech Chopper 96-inch Evo Hardtail. Price, $7,900. Location, Duncanville, Texas. Here's a rare opportunity to own a 2002 Kraft tech chopper with a 96-inch Evo hardtail frame, a true showpiece for collectors and custom bike enthusiasts alike. With only 2,938 miles, this black beauty is practically like new, meticulously maintained, and fully ready to hit the road. Its rigid frame, classic chopper lines, and smooth Evo engine make every ride an experience, blending timeless style with modern performance. 2011 Harley-Davidson Street Glide. Price: $28,650. Location: Fincastle. Virginia step into the world of bold style and ultimate performance with this 2011 Harley-Davidson Street Glide, a striking black bagger that turns heads wherever it rolls. Featuring a massive 30-inch front wheel, this bike isn't just a ride, it's a statement. With just 15,652 miles, it's been meticulously maintained and is ready to deliver countless miles of smooth cruising. Equipped with front and rear air suspension, this Street Glide offers unmatched comfort and handling, while the fairing houses a full suite of switches and gauges for complete control at your fingertips. The sleek black exterior combined with the aggressive stance gives this bagger a powerful, commanding presence on the road. Whether you're heading out for a long-distance tour or showing off at local bike events, this Street Glide blends performance, comfort, and style seamlessly. Every detail has been designed to make your riding experience extraordinary. 2006 Harley-Davidson Night Rod. Price: $1,000. Location: Greenville, Ohio. Hit the streets in style with this 2006 Harley-Davidson Night Rod, a sleek and powerful blue cruiser with 26,000 miles on the odometer. This bike blends Harley's legendary performance with an aggressive, modern design that demands attention wherever you ride. Recently serviced with a fresh royal purple oil change and a new battery, this Night Rod is ready to roll without any hassle. The tires are in great condition, offering excellent grip and safety on every corner. It even comes with a brand new headlight for improved visibility and a sharp, aggressive look. 2005 Texas Chopper Custom. Price: $12,000. Location: Madison, Indiana. Turn heads and own the road with this 2005 Texas Chopper Custom, a one-of-a-kind ride with only 4,500 miles. Finished in sleek black, this chopper is a true masterpiece for riders who crave power, style, and attention. Powered by a 111 Ci SNS engine, this bike delivers smooth, commanding performance that makes every ride an adrenaline rush. Its custom lighting, unique tank design, and sculpted rear fender give it a bold, head-turning appearance. 2003 American IronHorse Chopper. Price: $7,000. Location: Radcliffe, Kentucky step into the world of custom riding with this 2003 American IronHorse chopper. A striking green beast built for both speed and style. With 27,000 miles on the clock, this bike has been well cared for and is ready to deliver thrilling rides on the open road. Featuring a manual transmission and a low, aggressive stance, this Texas-style chopper is perfect for anyone who wants to turn heads wherever they go. Its bold green paint and custom details make it a standout, while the powerful engine ensures you feel the rush of the ride every time you twist the throttle. 2006 Big Bear Choppers Venom Pro Street. Price, $11,000. Location, Parrish, Florida. Unleash the road with this 2006 Big Bear Choppers Venom Pro Street, a one-owner custom marvel built to turn heads and dominate the streets. With only 11,600 miles, this black beast is in prime condition, ready for a rider who craves power, style, and precision. Powered by a massive 1,680 cubic centimeters engine, this Pro Street chopper features Devil's Advocate handlebars and controls for a commanding riding position. 1957 Cushman Eagle Scooter. Price, $5,000. Location, Westland, Michigan. Take a ride back to the golden era of American scooters with this 1957 Cushman Eagle Scooter. A rare and beautifully preserved piece of motorcycling history. Dressed in a striking, vibrant red, this scooter combines classic style with a playful, nimble ride that's perfect for both collectors and enthusiasts alike. Powered by an 8-horsepower Husky engine and a 2-speed transmission, it delivers smooth acceleration and responsive handling, making every ride a joy whether cruising through town or showing off at vintage scooter rallies. With just 550 miles on the odometer, this Cushman has been meticulously cared for and remains in excellent condition. Its classic styling, compact frame, and perfectly maintained mechanics make it a standout, whether displayed at a show, added to a collection, or taken out for a leisurely weekend spin. Every detail reflects the care of its previous owners, from the gleaming paint to the original engine components, preserving the authenticity and charm that make a 1950s scooter so desirable. This scooter is more than just a ride. It's a piece of Americana, evoking nostalgia and the carefree spirit of post-war motorcycling culture. Imagine cruising along scenic streets, turning heads with its vintage design, or proudly displaying it at a classic vehicle event where it will undoubtedly draw admiration and conversation.